Namaste, Priyanka from Hubli branch. Today I wanted to show how to make the bread toast in LG Wi-Fi model micro oven. Let's see the ingredients. Yes, I took bread 4 pieces and some butter to apply this. Okay. Okay, just I'm applying to the butter for the breads. Okay, we should apply like this. Back and top. Okay, for all the 4 pieces of bread. Okay, just completely I would applied the butter. Okay, one side. Then I'll show how to operate the micro oven. Okay. Mama. Yes, this is the Wi-Fi model micro oven, 28 liters. Okay, just I'm showing inside how it will be same as like this. Okay. Yes. Yes, I'm taking grill in for 5 minutes like this. Grill. This is grill and we have to take time. Only time settings here will be, not a temperature. Taking 4 minutes. Okay, and 1 minute I'll give only for the heating purpose. After the 1 minute I'll keep the bread slices inside. Okay. Yes, I'm doing this start. Yes, it has been started. Yes, now it is 3 minutes. Okay, just we have to place the bread slices on the high grill rack. Okay, then we have to close it from low grill rack. Okay, like this. Okay, then I'll be keeping the inside for 1.5 minutes, nearby 2 minutes, only that much. After that we have to make up and down. See, 1.5 minutes has been completed. It will be roasted one side. The toast will be, we have to make it up and down. By applying the butter. And applying other side butter. Okay, we'll get a crispiness. Yes, totally good. I've got butter applied. So next we have to keep 1.5 minutes. Okay, remaining 1.5 minutes. You can see just it is now 7 to 8 seconds. Okay, we'll be getting like a golden brownish. Yes, we got the end on the beep sound display. Just will show how it will be. Yes, see, completely we got the golden brown. Yes, completely we got the golden brown, and it will be crispiness like this. Okay. Design. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.